What's going on, guys? This is IJ Lishade. I'm about to show you how to connect your Binance and Royal Qt together with the API settings. Right. So, what you want to do first is you want to go to Binance. Okay. You see more here. You look for more, click on more. You scroll all the way down to the bottom and you see API management. You click on that, then it gives you how to create your API. So basically what you do now is you give it a name. So any name that you want, you type in Royal Q. There you go. So you hit create API. Now you need to confirm a verification. If you click on get code, you get code will be sent to the email that you provided that you used to sign up for Binance, and also a contact number that you used to sign up for Binance as well. So we're gonna start with the email first. Okay. So now we type the code. Right now, let's generate the second code that will be sent to our mobile phone. You hit submit, and there we go. Right. So the next step now, what we need to do is we need to copy this API key here. Then now we then go over to Binance. We go over to Royal Q, the app. Okay, that's the on page. What you do now is you click here where it says mine. You then go up here where it says API binding. Then you hit Binance because you are going to connect it with Binance. Okay, so then now what you do now is paste that code that you just copied. We go back to Binance. Okay, then we hit that arrow. You see that arrow that I just clicked on, the little tiny arrow. So all you need to do is just highlight that secret key. You copy it, make sure there's no space on both sides. Then just go back to Royal Q and type in the secret key into that box there. Paste. Right. So what we do now is we then copy this code here. Okay, you copy this code here, the API group binding. You copy that there, and you go back to Binance. You hit edit. Yes, see it, edit. Now you want to check this type here, this part here where it says enable spot and merging trading. So you hit that button there. The tick. You tick that. Not the button. Sorry, excuse me. Here where it says restrict access to trusted IPs only. You tick that, and then it gives you a box to paste those codes in. Okay. And then you hit confirm. Once you've done that, go all the way back up and hit save. And then you need to get another code again that will be sent to your phone or your email. And once that's done, hit submit and edit API success. You then go back to your Royal Q, click on send to get a verification code that will be sent to the email address that you sign up with Royal Q, and paste that code into the box here that's been provided, or you can type it in. You hit at the bottom here, it says I have read the risk notice carefully. So if you read it, hit tick, and boom, voila. So all that has been done, has been connected, so you can start doing your trades on Roku. Thank you very much for watching this video.